Rising healthcare costs require that providers of medical equipment and supplies reduce their own cost wherever they can to stay competitive. That's why companies like Seneca Medical look to sophisticated distribution technologies to improve their productivity while maintaining the accuracy that is needed when lives may be on the line.
We're a medical surgical distributor. We distribute to mostly hospitals, clinics, physicians, surgery centers, any medical supply used in a hospital, syringes, needles, everything from Band-Aids to exam tables.
Seneca Medical is the fourth largest distributor of acute care medical products in the United States. The company operates 6 distribution facilities. The largest is this one in Tiffin, Ohio. Products here used to be picked using paper, but now the company relies on the Honeywell Vocalect voice-directed workflow solution. Speech Interface Design was the consulting and engineering firm that Seneca Medical chose for the voice implementation. They provided a direct interface to link the voice system to Seneca's warehouse management system.
They were key in getting the project up and running. They gave us a lot of best practice information in order to design and implement the system, as well as they did all the development on the voice side.
2 main types of picking are performed at the Tiffin facility.
We have 2 basic areas. A low unit measure area, we're picking a lot of eaches in small quantities, putting them into totes that go to the hospital. And then we also have case picking on the bulk side, where we're picking pallet loads of mostly cases of product going into a hospital storeroom.
About 14,000 different product SKUs reside in the bulk area. To begin picking here, the voice system directs a worker to the location of needed cases.
25-1 slot 1.
The worker must read off the last 3 digits of the manufacturer's product code to confirm it is the right product.
001.
The voice system then provides the number of cases to be picked to an order pallet.
Pick 2 case of 50.
It makes things a lot quicker than picking off paper, for sure, because you're not checking paper every 5 seconds to see what you got to get and where you got to go. It's just right there, and you can ask it to repeat itself whenever you want to. It's more efficient. It's definitely stepped our game up here, I can tell you that for sure.
In the low unit of measure area, totes are used to gather about 4,500 different products. These totes ship directly to hospitals and other facilities where they are delivered directly to the departments needing the items. This allows the hospitals to be more efficient, with less labor required on their end. Similar to case picking, the voice system directs the workers here to the location containing products to be picked.
15-2 slot 5.
Again, the picker must read off the final 3 digits of the manufacturer number to confirm the correct item is being selected.
880.
The voice system then provides the quantity to select and which tote should receive the product.
Pick 40 each of 1. Please watch the unit of measure on this item. This is sold by the each in the box of 12.
Many of the products have expiration dates. The voice system is configured to prompt workers to record these dates while products are being picked.
14.
Expiration date?
0618.
The system also provides a countdown feature. This helps the picker track large quantities of needed items by breaking them up into smaller amounts while tracking the overall number.
5.
Pick 5. Need 10.
10.
16-1 slot 2.
I'm a person that just likes to stay on the move, so therefore it makes me more independent, and I like that. I can work more efficiently and much better pace, and makes my day go by. I'm not really comfortable with paper anymore. Now that I know how to use the system, it's my tool, it really is. I recommend it. I think any warehouse that picks orders should use it.
Since moving to Honeywell Vocalect Voice, Seneca Medical has been more efficient and productive.
Productivity in certain areas is over 50%. Our initial ROI calculation was based upon a 10 to 15% increase. We're seeing 25 most places, but as high as 50 in some. We looked at about 10 months as an ROI to pay back the implementation process. What we ended up with the increased productivity is more like about 6 months.
And the savings continue each year, making Seneca Medical's bottom line much healthier. The Vocalect voice-directed picking solution, implemented and supported by Speech Interface Design, is saving Seneca Medical $1 million annually. Faster, more efficient, and highly accurate. It's just what the doctor ordered.